you looking to start a business and you don't know what type of business you can get started with, or if you are looking to start a business and you don't have any funds to start a business, in today's video I'm going to give you guys 3 business ideas that you can go ahead and get started with today with no startup costs or fees. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara Pace. If today is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If today is not your first time here, thank you for being a part of the community. In today's video, we're going to discuss 3 business ideas that you can get started with no startup costs or fees. So the first business you can get started with today with no money, no fees, not needing anything to get started is becoming a content creator. So a content creator is someone who is going to create content in order for them to get paid by creating the content that they love. So the way that you can go ahead and become a content creator is by you using something that you are passionate about, something that you have knowledge in, something that you are good at doing, and creating content by doing so. If you are someone that people always come to about advice, you can be a content creator and create content around the advice that you give. If you are someone who is good at cooking for others and everyone loves your food that you're cooking, you can become a content creator by cooking food that you already absolutely love to cook. If you are someone who loves to do hair, do makeup, no matter what your passion is, no matter what you love to do, even if you are just a mom and you love giving other mothers advice of how to be a mom, you can create content and you can get paid for doing so. So when it comes to becoming a content creator, in today's world, it is 2022, the making of this video, becoming a content creator is as easy as ever. So in order for you to become a content creator, you just have to start making content about whatever you are passionate about. So we're going to go with social media, right? Because this is how you become a content creator, by posting the things that you love to do, the things that you are passionate about on social media. So we have social media platforms as of YouTube, of course, my favorite platform. You have YouTube, you have TikTok, you have Instagram, and you also have Facebook. With YouTube, you're able to post short videos as well as long form videos, and YouTube will pay you for those videos once your channel is monetized. But that's not the only way you can get paid with YouTube. You can also create content and you can begin getting brand deals and sponsorships, and you can also use your affiliate marketing links in order for you to get paid. But we'll discuss that in a few minutes. With TikTok, you're able to also become a content creator by posting short form videos onto their platforms, and your videos can be as short as 15 seconds. And on TikTok, they will begin to pay you once you have 10,000 people who follow you and you have 100,000 views of watch time. So with TikTok, once you have built your audience and you begin to post the things that you are passionate about, TikTok will also pay you within the creator fund in order for you to get money every month. Another way you can get paid on TikTok is also by having brand deals and sponsorships, where people will reach out to you on that platform and they will pay you in order for you to make videos around the kind of content that you are producing. So that is very good, where you're able to go ahead and still get paid not only from TikTok but from those sponsorships and from brand deals from other people who are looking for people just like you who love what you are passionate about. With Instagram is also giving out bonuses for creators just like yourself who is passionate about something and you have created a community around something that you love. With Instagram, you can begin making reels, and on those reels, Instagram will invite you and they will begin to pay you monthly bonuses for the amount of plays that you are getting each month for your content. The same goes for Facebook. Facebook will begin to pay you for the content that you are creating by you posting reels on the Facebook platform. So all of these different platforms will pay you just for you to put out content. And the thing about it is you can create content on anything that you love to do. So you want to make sure that it is something that you love to do, so that you can create this content consistently in order for you to grow your platforms and get monetized on these platforms, in order for you to get paid even more money and get those sponsorships and brand deals. The second business idea that you can go ahead and get started with no startup costs or no fees is by you selling your knowledge. So to add on to becoming a content creator, once you begin to use those platforms and you're creating content that you love, you can begin selling your knowledge on these platforms as well. So once your audience have grown and you have created an engaging community, when people begin to ask you for your products or ask you for your recipes or ask you different things and ideas about the content that you are creating, you can begin to sell your knowledge in courses, in ebooks, on one-on-one coaching calls, in group sessions. You're able to sell your knowledge to your community in order for you to make an income. When it comes to selling your knowledge, there are a lot of different ways you can monetize your knowledge. And with monetizing your knowledge, this is you just creating those different courses, creating those different ebooks, and you're going to sell it to your audience in order for you to make income. The only thing you have to do is create your courses and your ebooks, and you can upload them to a company called Gumroad, where it will be free in order for you to go ahead and get started and get paid for your knowledge. Another way you can do this is by using Zoom and creating those one-on-one coaching programs, or you can go ahead and create a group session masterclass where you're able to teach in a group setting. And with Zoom, you're able to get on there and you're able to speak to your community for free, as long as it is underneath 100 people. So that is a way for you to go ahead and sell your knowledge, sell your expertise, sell what you are good at, so that you're able to start making more money from doing so. The third business idea for you to go ahead and get started with today with no startup costs and no fees is affiliate marketing. I absolutely love affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing, this also will go hand in hand with you becoming a content creator or with you selling your knowledge, because with affiliate marketing, this is you promoting things that you are already familiar with, and this is you promoting other companies' products and services in order for you to get paid. So if you decide that you want to do affiliate marketing, you can actually go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing today without even having to take the time to create your own ebooks or courses. If you see other influencers or content creators who already sell courses or ebooks and different things that you are already passionate about doing, you can reach out to them and you can ask them if they have an affiliate link where you can send your traffic to their products as well in order for them to pay you a commission. Another way for you to get started with affiliate marketing is by using a company called Clickbank, and I have made a video. If you have not watched this video above, make sure you go ahead and watch that video if you are interested in getting started with affiliate marketing. With the company Clickbank, you're able to go on there and you're able to search your niche and search what it is that you want to begin selling and marketing on your social media platforms in order for you to find different products and services from people who are looking for content creators to promote their products. With Clickbank, you're able to see exactly how much commission you will get paid from these companies, and you don't have to just choose one company. You can actually go ahead and get started with multiple companies. You're able to go on there and choose as many companies as you would like. Then they will send you out a contract where you will go on there and you will just read over the terms and conditions, and you will see if this company is right for you. So with Clickbank, that is an awesome way for you to go ahead and get started and sign up for free. Another thing about affiliate marketing is. Another company I love to use for affiliate marketing is Amazon. So with Amazon, you're able to sign up as a content creator or as an influencer and go ahead and get links for your Amazon store. So just say if you're someone who loves makeup and you're always ordering on Amazon for your makeup, you can begin marketing and promoting the products that you use currently for yourself, and you can get sales with the links that you have from your Amazon account. With Amazon will pay you 10% for every sale underneath your affiliate link. So that is something good to keep in mind. Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate marketing companies that a lot of influencers partner with in order for them to make sales from Amazon. So you can go ahead and go on Amazon and sign up today for free, and Amazon will give you 180 days in order for you to make your first sale, in order for you to still stay in their program for affiliate marketing. So you have 180 days to get at least one sale, which you're able to send to a family member, someone you may know, have them to purchase through your link, and that will give you that one sale that you need in order to stay in their program. This is going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give me a like on this video. If you are not a part of the community, make sure you subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I teach you guys how to find your purpose and how to start, fund, and grow your business so you can live a life that is fulfilling to you. I am Tiara, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.